Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. And we had a problem with, this customer had a problem actually with this machine breaking needles in reverse. So what Jose did to fix this problem was he moved the position finger, which we're going to point to. Could you grab a screwdriver and point to the position finger? So that black thing right there is the position finger. And then show the slot where the needle was hitting. So the slot in the hook basket there, you see how close, when he pushes the machine in reverse, it's really close to the back of the hook basket. If you can see how close that is to the back part. So it was striking the back and breaking in reverse. So if you let go of the reverse. So when you let go of the reverse, you could see it's not getting anywhere near close to the back of that. So as soon as he hits the reverse, do it again. It gets really close to the back. So what he did was, like I said, he moved the position finger, which actually moved the hook basket to the back. So he's going to move the hook, the position finger. Can you point to the black thing again? And the way to move that, let's tilt the machine back. Okay, so looking from underneath, if you could point to the screw. So you have to loosen that screw and then push the position finger which way?
Back, down.
Down. Okay, so let me more. So if you're going to move that position finger, you're going to loosen the piece. Show it again. And then push the position finger down as far as you can go.
Yeah.
Okay, as far as you can go down. And then what's going to happen is point to the little slot on here. So you're going to move that, and then there's same thing from underneath. That's the hole that we're looking at. Where if you hit the reverse lever, you could actually see, you can't see it as well, but you could see it's getting close to the needle. There you go. Let me zoom in on that, Jose. Stay there. And you can see from underneath the reverse lever getting too close to the back. It's a little easier to see from the top end. Okay, so that's the way to fix if your needle is breaking only in reverse. Okay, if you have any other questions, please call us 888-505-4565 or at SewingGold.com. And Jose was the one that did that fix for you. Thank you.